What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use the blend curve and alias. So let's get right into it. If you go to the palette, look up here on the left side, you'll see it says blend. So click that guy. A toolbox is going to open up and I'm going to hit new. This is going to let you make a curve. If I click on the edge here, it's giving me a couple options. I'm going to go with on the curve I have there, which was a rebuild curve. If I hit over the box here, now it lets me select on there. If you use this tool to curves, it's a very simple tool to use. But if you start going to surfaces, it can get more complex. I'm going to pick just the curves that I have there. So you can see I laid the curve down. When you turn the CVs on, it gives you those black points. If I hit edit in the toolbox, and you can do this individually, but I'm going to click over both. Now you can see this manipulator came up. You really don't have to worry about this manipulator if you're just going to curves. But when you start going to surface, that's how I say it get more complicated. But it's cool because you can hit the box right here and then it actually adds tension both ways because you picked both, which is really awesome. But what's really nice about this one too is you can squeeze the third row, which is cool, right? So that's really nice. And of course, if you have your main curves to theoretical, it makes sense to, you can keep your curve if you like, and you can do stuff like that. But yeah, guys, that's the blend curve and alias. Please like, subscribe, and follow the channel. Appreciate it. Peace.